from her now! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Now!
Hey, drop the knife now, you can be shot!
One call, a man with a knife, attacking his own mother in broad daylight. When officers arrive, they are not walking into a disturbance. They are walking into an active killing. And within seconds, the threat shifts from the victim to the officers themselves. August 8, 2024, Irvine, California. This is Bodycam footage of a moment where hesitation could have cost more lives.
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
I have a neighbor that has a knife. He's like threatening other neighbors.
And what is the neighbor doing?
He's like a 35-year-old man, and he's in the street chasing his mom with a knife. He's dragging his mom now. He's dragging her. She's under. Yeah, the police is there.
RP is going to be a neighbor. He's at the mill with a male Middle Eastern, 35 years old, long hair with a beard, a black tank top, and black shorts. He has a large kitchen knife. He was chasing his mom. They live at Green Tree. RP said they've been arguing for the past 20 minutes. The RP is advising they're still out on Green Tree and the suspect is dragging her.
He's actually stabbing her.
Was it stabbing or fighting?
Hey, 998!
9-8.
Male down has a knife in his hand.
Shots fired, 9-8.
We need the female and the male. She's got significant stab wounds. Male took shots.
Stop! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! 15, he's actively stabbing her. Get away! Get away! Back up! Get away from her now! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Now!
Hey, drop the knife now, you can be shot!
15, shots fired. Male down has the knife in his hand.
Right now!
Dispatch reports a stabbing in progress. Officers arrive and find the suspect actively attacking the victim. Commands are given, but ignored. The suspect turns, still armed with a knife, and advances. In that moment, the threat becomes immediate. Deadly force is used. Here's the video from Officer 2 perspective.
Now! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Now! Hey, drop the knife now, you can be shot!
The suspect was later identified as 37-year-old Paul Parvea Montezer. He had a prior history in Las Vegas, including domestic battery and resisting law enforcement. There is no confirmed public information indicating any diagnosed mental illness. The victim, his 72-year-old mother, was pronounced dead at the scene. This stands as one of the clearest examples of an immediate and deadly threat. A life had already been taken, and only seconds remained to prevent further loss. In moments like this, officers are not given time. They are given responsibility, and they act based on what is unfolding in front of them, not what is discovered later. This is Texas Safety Watch, where we break down what legally matters and what does not. And to the men and women who step into danger to protect lives they have never met, we honor your courage, your discipline, and your service to the communities you protect and to this nation. Stay aware, stay safe. We will see you on the next case.